what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of the blog. Subidu23 here, and I'm just about ready to go find my starter for the homie Dong. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and go into Narnia and find my starter. The nigga, the bike, and the arsenal. I think I left it here somewhere, but just something a little extra. I was gonna sell it or use it later on, but I honestly have like a brand new starter in my car, so I don't really have any need for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kick it down to the homie, because that's what we do. Oh, here it is. Got one good working started boy that we're gonna go ahead and throw on the spooler boy. Oh fuck, where's my car? I hate that movie, by the way. If you ever reference anything about it, I'm gonna punch you. The old parts graveyard. So like whenever like people have like those dress up shoes or whatever and they go out to an event, this is my dress up lip. I'm gonna put this on whenever I go to like meets and shit, because like I just can't I just can't with regular driving. I took that shit out of the gym the other day and I was just over it. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh shit. I don't know what the fuck, but it smells hella like fart in here, so maybe I stepped on something or ate something. That was me! So while we're waiting for my car to warm up, I'm gonna go ahead and get you up to speed. We're gonna go ahead and throw on that starter on a 2002 Bug-Eye, and I'm gonna show you how. Alright, so it was a little bit of a rough start to the day. Lots of errands, lots of things to do, but we're finally here. Look at Timmy.
What's up?
You can't find a key.
You can't find the key now?
The starter's out. Look at it.
What?
Too much torque.
Oh. What the? How did that happen?
I don't know. Too much torque.
What the hell? So the starter is completely
out. It's missing a bolt too, so.
Oh, wow.
I'm over this car, man. Fuck this piece of shit.
Alright, so this was supposed to be a how to change out your starter video, but
How was that? How to bolt your starter back in?
how to reinstall a starter that
It wasn't never bad.
it was literally just hanging there. Yeah, man, it's crazy. I don't even know how this happens. How does this happen, Timmy?
I don't fucking know, dude.
So we're gonna go ahead and bolt up the starter. We recently just reinforced the rear diff, so there's no more clunking noise from this car.
Hopefully.
And we're gonna go ahead and take you for a few pulls. Catch in a bit. First startup.
That boy's right there is a healthy startup.
I want to go ahead and make a public service announcement. Always check your motherfucking oil. Oh no, Daniel.
Should I put the whole thing?
Yeah, put the whole thing, fuck it.
Bitch. Fuck it.
Watch that shit start coming out the fucking hole.
Well, there go them seals. Ready for some pulls, bro?
Maybe.
Alright, let's do it.
Start it, bro.
Hey, though. Doesn't that close that way, bro? No stay ref there. Alright, so I am in the back seat. I want to feel like
I'm picking up a free Type R lip.
no way.
Yeah, my buddy, he just hit me up. He was like, hey, you want a Type R lip? It's kind of dirty, but you can take it for free.
Let's get it. Alright, so I'm sitting in the back seat because this is closest to the rear diff, and I want to see if that brace that we had put on is going to make any difference. Then you just feel a little more pull in the back anyways when you're in the back seat. Yeah, that's great though.
I need that shit though. Damn.
Nice, no clunk. Fuck yeah, that shit hella work. You're gonna have to do that again, bro. Alright, here we go. My work here is done. That's it, fun.
I don't think my boost works, bro. He goes. Right hand driving in big wing? Yeah, fuck it.
I'm only saying keep it because I haven't seen you get that excited before. Not even in your other suit.
I'm excited in my black suit.
I haven't seen you with a black suit.
Thanks, Benny.
Anytime, bro.
Thanks, Timmy. Yep.
Hey, it starts up.
it's
Woo! Everything's fixed. All right, happy to announce that the car is fixed, it's fast, and it's fun. So, the 3 F's that make a car all the more worth it.
Shut your bitch ass up.
This nigga. Add this motherfucking Michael Diaz so you stop crying.
Hi, guys.
And ladies, please hop in his DMs.
Yo, hey, where's my cloud at? Hey, hold up.
Add the
Follow me too.
homie Timmy. Hey, what is your channel called?
Just my name, Timmy Rutana Fozzi. That's all you gotta find.
I'll have to ask him how to spell it later so we can put it right there.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Oh, wait, let me go ahead and show you one more thing. On a previous episode, Dong finally got his fitment. Oh, what the fuck is going on my hat? Let me just turn it around like this. Motherfucking Pokemon style. I'm gonna catch something. On a previous episode, Dong was working on his fitment and he actually went ahead and adjusted a little more. So,
Damn, Daniel 215.
without further ado, here is the final product, and it
Breaks
looks
over,
amazing.
nigga. God MC, me, Jehovah. Hey, little soldier, you ain't ready for war. ROC too strong for y'all.